Good morning, everyone. My name is Robin Kumar. Today we are talking about PLC, that means product life cycle. The product life cycle is a concept that describes the stage a product goes through from its introduction to the market until its eventually decline. And withdrawal understanding the PLC help business manage marketing strategy, pricing, and product innovation at each stage. The four main stages of the product life cycle are introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Let's talk about introduction stage. Introduction stage, in this stage the product is launched into the market. Marketing efforts are focused on building awareness and stimulating demand. Sales are usually low and the company invests heavily in promotion, advertising, and distribution. Profit may be negative or minimal due to high initial cost. Let's talk about key characters. Uh, Here you can see the image sales, first sales and introduction state, growth, maturity, and decline. Let's talk about key characters. Firstly, low sale, high marketing and promotional cost, minimal or negative profit, few competitor focus on product awareness. Let's take example. When electric vehicle first entered the market, such as the Tesla Roadster, they were new, unfamiliar, and had a niche audience. The company had to invest heavily in education, technology, development, and infrastructure. So let's talk about growth stage. This is the stage where the product gain traction in the market, sales increase rapidly, profit improve, and more competitor may enter the market. Companies start to focus on differentiating their products from competitor and expanding their market reach. Okay, let's have a look. Key characteristic: rapidly increase sale, rising profit, growing market share, more competitor entering the market, focus on product differentiate, and market expansion. For example, smartphone experience rapid growth after the initial launch of device like a iPhone. As more people adopt smartphone sales surge, and more competitor like Samsung have all entered the market. Let's talk about maturity stage. The maturity stage marked by a slowdown in sales growth as the product shattered the market. Competitor is fierce and the focus shifts to maintaining market share. Pricing may become more competitive and companies often introduce product improvement or new version to sustain interest. So let's take a look of characteristics: slow sales growth, intense competition, profit margin may decline due to competitive pricing, product innovation, and differentiation to sustain interest. Focus on customer loyalty and brand positioning. Let's take an example. Soft drink like Coca-Cola and Pepsi are in the majority stage. This product have been on the market for decade, and while they still sell in large volume, the market is scattered. Both companies focus on a new flavor, packaging, and marketing campaign to stay competitive. Let's talk about the decline stage. In this stage, in the decline stage, sales begin to fall due to market saturation, changing consumer preference, or technology advancement that make the product obsolete. Company may decide to discontinue the product, reducing market effort, or look for way to extend the product life. Let's take a key characteristic: decline sales and market share, reduce profit, fewer competitive as some leave the market, product discontinuation or minimal update. Let's take example. DVD player are in the decline stage are as streaming service like Netflix and digital download have replaced physical media. The sales of DVD plays have significant decrease and only a few companies continue to produce them. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insight on business and marketing. See you next time. Thank you.